I didn't know the math either.
I'm trying to make you sound smarter, guys. Come on, man. He's not kidding. Lips don't kill the
Well,
tongue, maybe.
the lips doesn't usually start joking about backflips, you know.
That's
He
true.
takes back black flip where it's
He takes black very seriously. Are we letting out our inner
I am not Aryan.
Sizen,
Are you blonde?
What's the color of your hair, Sizen?
Brown. It's brown.
Wait,
What's
ellipse.
the color
Are
of
you,
your
what are you doing,
eyes?
man? Are you looting or what are you? I don't know, hurting yourself. Do you need to talk?
Giggles, are you fighting someone?
No,
Yeah,
but I'm
yes.
tempted to... No, don't help him! He needs to learn.
Who is shooting?
That was me shooting at
Oh.
stopping Tito from helping Ellipse. You know you may help him, now that he's learned his lesson, hopefully.
The lips.
Where is he?
It's gonna fucking blow up. Move away.
It's not gonna blow up.
No, but it's in flames, so what?
Where is it?
It's not gonna blow up.
It's not gonna blow up.
Later.
Oh really?
Oh my god, we're gonna take so much.
Why?
Do you think there's gonna be someone camping the bridge? Ooh, people.
People, chase.
I can't shoot. Sizen, you're